The next two examples, we need to identify a pair of parallel segments. There are several here. I'm just going to pick a couple. It's a little blurry. These lines right here show that these are parallel. And I am going to say that MR is parallel to SN. Skew segments, I'm going to pick MR and NK. So MR and NK. MR and NK. Perpendicular, right here. These lines or segments are perpendicular. That's what the little box means. So we can say MR is perpendicular to RQ. And lastly, parallel planes. This time I'm going to do this front side. Plane NMR, I think that's an S. And plane, the back side, will be KLQP. Example 2, parallel segments. I am going to do CD and BE. So CD and BE. Skew segments. I am going to pick FJ right here across the front and DH. Perpendicular, meet at a right angle. FB and FJ. And parallel planes, I think I'm going to do the left-hand one. Plane CBFG and plane DHJE. So the left-hand side and the right-hand side. On the next page, we start identifying some angles that are formed by lines in a transversal. And we have corresponding angles. That can be formed. We have alternate interior angles. We can form alternate exterior angles. We might have same side interior and same side exterior. And a lot of times we use abbreviations for these just because it gets really long writing all those words out. Corresponding angles, we use CA. Alternate interior angles is AIA. Alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles are AEA. Same side interior is SSIA. Same side exterior is SSEA. And those are the 5 types of angles that are formed. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are in the same place. So if we have these two lines, this line that crosses it is going to be the transversal. Corresponding angles are in the same place. See how those two angles are both in the upper left-hand corner? Those are corresponding. These angles that I've just marked in blue are both in the upper right-hand corner, so they would be corresponding. We can do the lower right-hand corner. Those would be corresponding. Or we could do the lower left-hand corner. and those would be corresponding.